RBI slashes its repo rate by 25 basis points from 8 to 7.75% with immediate effect, as stated in a report released by RBI. As you all know, repo rate is a short form of repurchase rate. RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan has clearly indicated that repo rate cuts is a shift in the policy stance of the RBI, and central bank will continue with this path. There is no change in cash reserve ratio (CRR) at 4% of the net demand and time liabilities. Consequently, the reverse repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility stands to 6.75% and the bank rate to 8.75% with immediate effect. HDFC sees that RBI may cut the rate by 1 more percent during the course of the year. This move will have a positive impact on the Indian economy as banks will lower their lending rates. Your car and home loan are set to become cheaper. India's biggest bank, State Bank of India, has already indicated a rate cut. UBI has announced a similar 25 basis point cut in its lending rate. With more banks expected to follow with their lending rate cuts, your loans like housing and auto loans will get cheaper. The industry has been demanding a rate cut by RBI to boost investment and demand growth. With this surprise rate cut, banks and non-banking financial companies will have more cash to lend, as the repo rate cut will infuse much needed liquidity in the market. Corporate loans too are set to get cheaper and hence the expected disbursement of those will be increased. GEPL Capital in its note today said rate cuts will prove to be boon for real estate and infrastructure sectors. Controlling the inflation and reducing the loan amount will encourage the customers to invest more in the sector and higher participation will increase in volumes. The World Bank has clearly already indicated that it expects India's GDP to grow at 6.4% in 2015 and likely to catch up with China in 2016 and 17. With the wholesale inflation and retail inflation is easing since last couple of months, RBI has room to give more chill to the market in the coming days. Are you ready to catch up with the Indian economy growing? This is the right time to invest more and more in the coming days for your better retirement and for the better future of your kids. For investment advice or further assistance, you may call Lion Krishnakant Damala or your comments are welcome at krishfin.consulting@gmail.com. Thank you.